we've had some issues with aluminum corrosion recently, and obviously aluminum it's got a higher, it can allow more current through it, more efficient. It's also a little bit less costly. Aluminum boilers are being implemented. A lot of aluminum glycol systems. And what we're noticing, especially for glycol systems that have aluminum components, the right type of glycol is not being ordered. Glycol has a high pH, but aluminum needs a pH between 7 and 8.5. So, especially for mechanical contractors and those who are speccing out jobs, it's really important to order the proper glycol and, to ask for that glycol pH to be buffered down to 7 and 8.5. A lot of aluminum systems are corroding because the improper glycol is being added. So I just want to make that note. I think that's important as we're more materials of construction are going towards that aluminum side.